that they're gonna attack us again next week.
This makes me so happy. Oh, I'm so okay. Hey, heavy tanks. Heavy tanks are all going to the city. Spread out, you know. Medium tanks, we're playing the inside. Inside.
Alpaca to Scout North?
No, the inside.
Roger.
They send all their heavy tanks north, they're just gonna fucking lose. They'll just light up here and they'll light up there and die if they go north.
It's game time.
It's like a turkey shoot.
Pew pew.
Turkeys are hard to shoot.
No, they're not.
Have you ever hunted a turkey?
I have not.
They're one of the hardest animals to find and kill.
Gobble. Really?
They have a massively good sense of smell.
I have ridiculous amounts of turkey that live in my backyard.
Wild turkey anyway.
Wild
They can
turkey.
smell for like 5 or 6 miles or something.
I have
They don't have lower grades. We don't know where to shoot at.
I have like a pack of 40 that are up there. That
In
live.
this bowl.
Yeah, probably.
Shoot Mr. Knispel if you can.
Ba ba ba.
Yeah. Did you hit him, Martin? No.
You're clearly wrong.
Who's there already? Carl? I'd actually feel better if you were down here.
Do we push?
Yeah.
It would make me feel more comfortable. Just so
We
I know
push?
I don't get you killed.
Jigsaw, let me side scrape because I can actually side scrape.
Oh,
Alright.
yep, there it goes. Alright. Heavy tanks, go ahead and push. Medium tanks, let's go in the middle. Let's not all group up. They have a conch GC. Come on. Can I get the 2 Russian guys to go kill that 140?
Well, come on,
Just
Russian,
took a
let's
hit.
go. Good job, Artie. Come on.
The 2 medium
Let's go.
cards,
Heavy
go.
should be in
Cards,
flexing
cards,
distance.
go.
Cards, come
Cards,
with the
go kill him.
140.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Hang on,
actually,
I think heavies need to be
let's
within
not do
flexing
that.
distance.
Heavy tanks. Yeah, okay.
I just got lit.
E50, let's go through the middle, Jake. Let's go through the middle.
Sure.
Yeah, mediums, you guys need to back off here. We're gonna die here.
We're gonna help our...
You're losing connection, Jim.
Connection lost.
Not up there,
Connected.
guys. Up on top.
No.
140
he's-
coming forward.
E100s, watch him. Artie, get relocating, dude. Yeah, E100s, you guys are in charge of getting rid of those 2 E5s, okay?
We're taking a lot of damage here.
Yeah, I know. We'll have to survive through.
Medium,
Say
we
hello
gotta,
to
we
my
gotta
little
help them out.
friend.
Yeah, mediums, let's get up here on this ridge line and let's see
User
if we
in
can
your channel timed
get
out.
some shots
First
under these
blood.
E5s. IS-7s, good shots here.
Can I get
Got
this
Artie.
south group to get over here, kill him and get over here, and you'll have side shots?
You got flanks on the Hondas.
Yeah, let's get some shots in here.
Let's maintain this, guys.
Hey, you 62A, come here.
Yeah, let's get side shots on him. We have to.
We're losing a lot of HP here, man.
Yeah,
You need a new
we
ass.
need to kill
That
that
one's
E5.
got a
Hurry up
hole
on
in
that
it.
guy over here.
Oh!
All right, get
Nice.
side shots right there. Medium, yep, medium tank's nice.
E50M, back up.
All right,
Oh,
push into them. Push, go right. Push, push,
Guys,
push
let's
right
go,
there.
let's go,
Push.
let's go, go. 140, let's get
Push.
this guy here.
Kill the
140.
E100. Kill the E100. Super. Kill the E100.
One on the
I'm
guy
reloading.
on 112. Let's go.
Got him. Let's, medium, let's get this IS-7 right here.
Project behind us.
You guys need to push.
140,
into the heavy
243.
tanks need to push into them.
Let's go.
Need your
Heavy's
help.
in.
Heavies, come on, guys. Come on. Need your help here, guys.
415. Let's go. Get the 415 guy out. 415 guy out.
Epic fail.
Hyro, they're not looking at you. Hyro, they're not looking at you.
I got the 415, guys. Why are we jumping on people?
All right,
It
good
happens.
job. Next E5. 932.
My
932.
balls, your face.
Get that 215B if you can.
Somebody
guys.
help out Hyro. Somebody help out Hyro.
Fasten your seatbelts.
Where's the
It's
15B?
gonna be a bumpy
Yeah,
ride.
Jigsaw, be careful. Jigsaw, back off. Back on. Come on, we're up on HP. Just control the engagement, guys. Jigsaw, let me take the lead here.
Dance, motherfucker. Dance. Fasten your seatbelts. It's gonna
Alright,
be a
good job.
bumpy ride.
I don't ram him. Ram.
Okay, let's push this guy.
Ram again. Ram again.
Aw.
Aw.
I got him.
5-minute
I got him.
warning.
Crumbled
I-7
like a
don't poke
shit
out.
cookie.
I-7 don't poke out. You're gonna lock your tank. Good.
Good job, guys.
No, that was not good.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, that was not good.
That's horrible.
That was
It was
awful.
pretty bad.
We all know it was awful.
That was bad.
We're
be
all
fair.
smart enough to know that went